Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my December 2021 Boxyluxe box. So this is the quarterly upgrade and I'm really excited about it. However, it did have a price increase. So this box now costs $59.99 a quarter. $60 for this box. That just sounds so expensive to me. Gosh, we're gonna find out if this is even worth it. So it's a quarterly beauty subscription box like I was just telling you, but if you're not familiar with me and my channel, I am pretty much beauty obsessed. I get all of the different beauty subscriptions. I actually already just posted my Boxycharm premium unboxing for the month. So if you want to see what I got in that box, you can go check that out. I also should be getting my Ipsy Glam Bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus any day now. So I'll be posting those unboxings as soon as I get them. Glossy box as well. So lots of really fun content coming your way, and also makeup reviews. I'll be reviewing all of the makeup products that I get in the beauty subscription boxes this month. So make sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on that. But without further ado, let's go ahead and see what I got in the box here. This box is the same size as my premium box, although it's a little bit heavier. So here is what it looks like. I've got product information here. So trying not to read the products, but 8 products in this box, which cost $60. Then we've got the $40 premium box, which I got 6 products in. So $20 more for 2 more products. And then the Boxycharm base box, which I believe is $25. So as the prices get so expensive, I'm trying to think is it worth spending more money to get just a few more products? But I was really happy with my Boxycharm premium box for the month. Let's find out if I am happy with this box here. So first up, I've got from the brand luxe. Is this going to be brushes? Oh no, I do not need another cup full of brushes. So on my filming desk in front of me, I have 4 cups of brushes like this, literally filled to the brim with brushes. I do not want any more brushes in my beauty subscriptions. So that's one of the products that I always put on my survey that I don't want. And here are some more brushes. This would make a great gift for someone this holiday season. And these brushes look nice. I think I've gotten these brushes or similar brushes to these before. And they're cute. They're like a studded blue base, soft. Seemed like nice brushes if you're looking for brushes, which I am not. And the little travel case is cute for obviously travel, but also storing the brushes. So the luxe Beauty Christine set retail for $50. Wow. That's expensive for just a few brushes. I'm oh no, did I just get another brush? But no, this is Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's got the spoolie on one end and angled brush on the other. So hopefully this goes with, yes, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. Can you believe I have not tried this product out yet? I am obsessed with filling in my brows. I love trying out brow products, and I love the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow products. So I was really excited to see this as an option. I remember choosing it, and I got it in the shade Taupe, which I believe is my perfect shade in the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow line. So I am pumped about this. Yay. That'll kind of make up for my slight disappointment in the brushes. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade Brush 7B and dual-ended angled brush set retails for $39. Next up, I got an eyeliner. Eyeliners are another thing very similar to brushes that I continuously tell Ipsy and Boxycharm in my reviews or my surveys that I don't want. So this is the Persona Eyeliner 24-hour waterproof in the shade black. If I'm gonna get an eyeliner, I want it to be in a shade other than black. And they sent me a black eyeliner. Bummer, bummer. So the Persona Cosmetics 24-hour waterproof eyeliner retails for $14. So this is where I'm getting to the point where I spent $60 on this box. I want it to be at least, you know, $60 worth of products that I would want to purchase on my own. So far, it's just the Anastasia, so $39, and that really is a product that I would have purchased on my own eventually. The brushes, the eyeliner, not so much. I am just not going in the right direction. Now I have pulled out a mask. I do not want any more masks. I mask, turn that into like a verb. That's a verb, right? Once a week. And I have too many masks to keep up with, and that's another product that I always put that I don't want. But this is from a brand that I'm not familiar with, Aceology. This is the detoxifying treatment mask. It detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. Yeah, looks like, you know, your kind of typical clay mask. But you know, these are the types of products that do make really good gifts. Eyeliners, brushes, masks, because there are products that if someone is into skincare and makeup, they will use. So at least I can gift these to someone that will get more use out of them than I will. So this Aceology detoxifying treatment mask, wow, it retails for $69. So that really is a great gift because I feel like most people are not going to be spending $70 on themselves to get a mask, but that would be a fantastic gift to give someone. It says it helps to treat congested skin, drying out blackheads and impurities to clear clogged pores with skin-loving charcoal. Well, I do need that. I might need to save this for myself and try it out. Okay, let's move on to... This is from the brand Pharmacy. Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Serum with honey and prickly pear. Very interesting. So I'm not too excited to get skincare usually in these boxes, but this is a very different type of skincare than I have ever even tried before. So an exfoliating body serum. That sounds very intriguing. This resurfacing and hydrating body serum softens rough skin and helps eliminate bumps with 10% lactic acid and 2% BHA. Helps improve texture and tone for smoother, glowing skin. Apply to clean skin. Use nightly 2 to 3 times a week. May build up to more frequent use. Slight tingling may be experienced. Do not use on face. Avoid application directly after shaving. I could definitely start incorporating this into my skincare routine because I use a body lotion after every shower every morning. So 2 to 3 times a week, trying this out, I would love to see if there's a difference. I'm very lucky that I have smooth skin naturally. I don't get those bumps like on the back of my arm or anything like that. But if you do, maybe this would be a great product to try out to try and treat that. So that's cool. I love to learn about new, unique types of products. And Pharmacy is a good brand. So the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body 12% AHA BHA Resurfacing Body Serum retails for $40. Next up, oh, I know that this is a nice and high-end brand. It's the Vise Art Seamless Setting Powder. Oh, that's fun. I have not tried out a setting powder in a while, it feels like, but I love trying out setting powders. I think that they are a very essential part of my makeup routine, and I've had good luck with Vise Art products in the past. So the Vise Art Seamless Setting Powder retails for $35. Next up, we've got, from the brand Pure. I really like the brand Pure. This is the Fully Charged Mascara, powered by magnetic technology? What? It's vegan, gluten-free. in the shade black. Magnetic mascara. Okay, now that sounds very intriguing. And I love getting mascaras and trying out new mascaras, but I did get a mascara in my other Boxycharm box. So that's 2 mascaras in Boxycharm this month. So the Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by magnetic technology retails for $22. Okay, I just have to read what this even is. It says opposites attract with this age-defying vegan Pure Fully Charged Mascara powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positively charged elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define for unparalleled performance. That sounds awesome, right? I am so excited to try this. It says, fortified with a specialized blend of ingredients such as nourishing vitamin B, this mascara helps condition and strengthen eyelashes to help prevent premature lash loss. Very cool. I've got some kind of unique types of products, it seems like, in this box. And my final product here in this big box is the Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream from the brand Kat Berkey, which I'm not familiar with this skincare brand. And I love vitamin C in my skincare. Face cream sounds great. Face creams are kind of similar to masks where I feel like I have so many. I would definitely prefer a makeup product over a face cream, but this does sound like a really nice one that I will enjoy. So I'll get to this eventually. This is a giant box for this size of product, but I am excited to see the retail value on this because I'm guessing it's expensive. It's a frosted glass packaging. So by the way, I do a monthly, ooh, oh man, that smells expensive too. But as I was saying, I do a monthly empties video. So that's where I like to update you on my reviews on skincare. Because when it comes to skincare, I don't change it up every day. I'll choose my select products, you know, my serum, my toner, my moisturizer, and I use that product up until it's gone. And then I tell you about it in the empties video. But I find that that's been the best for my skincare. So keeping it consistent and then introducing a new product once I've finished the old one completely. So not always using the same thing, but not changing it up too much. And I've been really happy with my skin for the past year, maybe 2 years. So this system seems to be working. I'm gonna stick with it, but I am excited to try this out once it's time for a new face cream for me. And so the Kat Berkey Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream retails for $116. That is wild how expensive some skincare products can be. But I feel very lucky that I get to try them out at such a great deal when I get them in Boxycharm or Ipsy or whatever beauty subscription box. So overall, this box really didn't impress me too much. I'm much more excited about my Boxycharm premium box, but to think that I spent $60 on a lot of products that I wouldn't necessarily have picked out on my own, it makes me feel like, is it worth it? I'll do a quick recap and I'll let you know the total retail value. So I got the Kat Berkey face cream, the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow Body Serum, the Vise Art Setting Powder, the Pure Mascara, the Aceology Mask, the Persona Eyeliner, the LaRousse Brushes, and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, which is definitely the product I am most excited about. And that brings me to a total retail value of $385, which of course is huge value, but that premium box that I just unboxed was $368 of value, I think. So really not too much more value for me paying $20 more to get the Luxe box. So I don't get the Boxycharm base box this month since I did the upgrade, but I'm so curious to hear what came in the base box, if maybe it's even worth upgrading to the luxe. So let me know in the comments down below what you think about that. Are you happy with what you got in your luxe box? And I'd love to know if you've tried any of these products before, what your thoughts are on them. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.